docking batch file. It will start multiple docking. You have to create a folder for working directory. So after creating the working directory, you need to create some folders and files. So I have already created this. You need three types of folder: ligands, logs, and result. Where ligands folder will be contain the ligand pdbqt file, and logs file will be generated after the docking, and result folder also. And you should create a configuration text file, and protein pdbqt file should be in this working directory, and need a batch file which will start the automated docking, and also need an application file which is named Vina exe, and it will be generated after installation of your AutoDock tools. And you can find this file in the local disk C program files, and here the scripts research institute inside this folder, and this is the Vina application file. You should copy this Vina application file into the working directory, and you should paste here. Okay, so in the ligands folder we should move our all ligand pdbqt files folder, and we have to paste our protein pdbqt. Already we have passed. So this is the protein pdbqt, and logs folder should be empty, and also result folder should be empty. And in the configuration file we should mention some information like receptor name, exhaustiveness should be 8, and center and size of the grid box should be mentioned here. We have got the center and center dimension and size for this protein are these values. Finally, the run docking batch file, and in this file we need a code. This is the code for automated docking or multiple docking. I will give this code in the description box. So we have completed our all preparation. After that, just double click the run docking batch file. It will start multiple docking. You can see that this is the first compound. After completing this first compound, it will start the second compound and third compound. So you can see that after completing all the docking, the message showing all docking runs are finished. Press any key to continue. Just enter and go to the working directory, and you can see that this is the result. So in the result section, these are the output pdbqt file, and the docking scores are given in this text file. Okay, docking score for compound C1 is minus 6.6, and for compound C2 the docking score is minus 6.4. So we have chose here just only 10 compound. You can use 100 to thousands of compound for multiple docking by this method. Here is an important information is that your working directory must be in the C drive. So this is the end of this video. Thank you everyone.